Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Shahin Alam sir. Today I will show you how we can create a file in the folder. In the before time, I shows you how we can create a folder, and today I will show you how we can create a Microsoft Word, Excel, or Microsoft PowerPoint file in the folder. So at first I open a folder. Here we can see a folder that is Shine Ansar name. So this is a folder, and there is an empty folder. There is no file here. In this folder, empty places, I click right button of the mouse. So I click right button of the mouse, then I see that is. And now if I click new, click means left hand side of the mouse pointer, mouse click, then we see that Microsoft Power presentation, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel. Here I open a Microsoft Word document. Then we see that there is a box here, and we can sense it, or we can keep it, this file. uh, we can, if we rename here, and then Microsoft micro Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word file, Microsoft Word file, that is Microsoft Word file. And so this is why we can create a Microsoft Word file, or we can also create here new, and then we go to Microsoft Excel worksheet. Then here is another Microsoft Excel worksheet is open here. That is why we can open a Microsoft Word file, Microsoft Excel file, and PowerPoint in the folder. Thank you very much. In the next video, I will bring another types of technology in computer. Best of all.